Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You will start by verifying prerequisites quickly. Confirm Ssis engine and SSMS versions align, and that SSDT or the Integration Services extension is installed. Once done, open SSMS and connect to the database engine and the Integration Services catalog if available. You should create or pick a folder in SysDB and prepare connection strings for source and destination. Make sure credentials are tested. This avoids later failures. Now create a new Ssis project in SSDT or use the project deployment model to begin. You will assemble the package, add control flow tasks, and open a data flow to drag source, transformation, and destination components. Connect each component, configure columns, and set error handling. Once components work locally, add variables and parameters for file paths, credentials, or environment differences, then map them to connection managers. Use expressions for dynamic properties and test smaller sample data runs. Make sure to validate the package, and use logging providers to capture runtime details before deployment to SysDB. You will deploy the project to SysDB and then execute packages from SSMS or schedule them via SQL Server Agent. Once deployed, monitor execution and review SysDB reports or catalog logs to confirm success. If execution fails, enable package logging and use breakpoints in SSDT to reproduce errors. Check job history when using agent. Make sure service accounts have required permissions and that connection strings point to correct servers. One key troubleshooting tip: verify package protection level.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.